So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert Ethereum to USDT. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that click on wallet and then click on fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you guys will look for this search option, and now you guys will have to type ETH. And now the first option will arrive, and then choose the first option's convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option, and now click on it, and after that search USDT, and now click on the first option. So guys, now you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert 5 Ethereum, then put 5 here and then click on preview conversion. So guys, as you can see, it will show you how much your 5 Ethereums are worth it in USDT, and if you have the sufficient funds, then you can click on this button and it will convert your Ethereums to USDT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.